Hello, everyone. Today we're going to discuss a critical aspect of car insurance that many people overlook: uninsured motorist coverage. Let's dive into why this coverage is so important. First, let's define what uninsured motorist coverage is. This type of insurance protects you if you're involved in an accident with a driver who doesn't have any insurance. It can also cover situations where the at-fault driver has insurance, but not enough to cover all your expenses. Essentially, it ensures that you're not left paying out of pocket for someone else's mistake. Why is this coverage so vital? Approximately 1 in 8 drivers in the US are uninsured. That means there's a significant chance that if you're in an accident, the other driver might not have insurance. Without uninsured motorist coverage, you could be left covering medical bills, car repairs, and other expenses yourself. Uninsured motorist coverage doesn't just protect you from uninsured drivers. It also covers hit-and-run accidents. If you're hit by a driver who flees the scene and can't be identified, this coverage will step in to cover your costs. This provides peace of mind knowing you're protected, even in the most unpredictable situations. Another important aspect is underinsured motorist coverage. This comes into play when the at-fault driver has insurance, but their policy limits aren't high enough to cover all your damages. With medical costs and vehicle repairs often exceeding minimum coverage limits, having underinsured motorist coverage can save you from substantial financial burden. So, how do you add this crucial coverage to your policy? It's simple. When you're discussing your insurance options with your agent, make sure to ask about adding uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. It's often relatively inexpensive, and the protection it offers is invaluable. In summary, uninsured motorist coverage is a small investment that can make a huge difference in your financial security after an accident. It ensures you're protected against uninsured, underinsured, and hit-and-run drivers. At Insurance Navy, we're committed to helping you understand and select the best coverage for your needs. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay informed, and see you next time.
Insurance Navy, that covers you deserve.